how to find the best eBay niches. First, let's discuss what is the best eBay niche based on what you decide if niche is good or not. So a good niche is niche with high demand, niche with high success rate, niche where you can make nice profit. In this video, I will show you how to find hot niches on eBay. So there are many different ways to find niche ideas. You can walk through the supermarket or through the shopping mall, see an interesting product, and then go in Zik Analytics and search this product and the keywords that define this product on the product research tool. But I want to show you a more systematic way to find niche ideas, because eventually, as I always mention, time is precious. We have to make sure we're using our time wisely. So for finding niche ideas, there are a few ways. I'll start with showing you the first method. So what I do, I go to the category research, I open the category research, and usually I use the category research where I have no clue in which direction I want to go. I just want to randomly find new niche idea. And then what I do, I go to the select category here and I just choose any random category. So for instance, we can go here with pet supply. I'll click pet supply. Of course, you have to make sure the settings correctly according to your shipping location and marketplace. I'll demonstrate on United States. So I choose pet supplies and I click search button. Now the category research in Zik will show me the best selling items under pet supplies. Okay. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this data to get niche ideas. Now, when you're looking for niches, and in general, when you're browsing Zik and analyzing eBay, I want you to be like this police dogs, when they look for drugs or they look for weapons, they smell, and anything that smells familiar to weapons or drugs, they will run and bark, right? So we do the same things with sales. When we see a lot of sales, we want to investigate, because this is the sign that this is a good niche as well. So let's look on the first product. So this product is a custom engraved personalized pet tag. Okay. So I did dog cat name tag. So I can see that this product sold 58,000 lifetime since it was listed to eBay, 58,000 sales. Okay. The second product here that we can see is no pull dog pet harness. So it's a dog harness basically. So it's a no pull dog harness. Okay. 30,000 sales, 30,966 sales. A product that have 30,000 sales or 58,000 sales or even 14,000 sales or even 30 sales in the last 30 days, it's product that probably sell from a niche with a lot of demand. So I smell the sales and I see, you know what? This is a lot of sales. I want to investigate further. Now, when I look for niches, I try to also look for other things like, is this niche generic enough where I can go and bring unbranded product and sell it? Or is this niche have a price range where I can make some profit? For instance, the first product here, the personalized pet tag, for my opinion, selling product for $3.97 is not so profitable. Okay, now if you are not focusing on these specific things and you are not producing engraved product, okay. If you do it, okay, you can go and you can check this product. But if you're not doing it and you don't have the setup, you don't have the source for it, try to look for niches where you believe you can source and sell product in. So if you know you have suppliers that can give you product that fits to this dog harness, go and analyze further, because the stats and the sales telling us, hey, be aware, this product have a lot of sales, probably the niche have a lot of sales, okay? But if you see a product and you say, oh, I don't believe I can compete, or this is too branded, or this is not for my niche, go to the next product. So let's take this product now. 30,000 sales in the last 30 days, in the lifetime, total sold. I want to analyze this niche. This is already a sign for a good niche. So what I can do is I can either go and analyze the specific product. So let me open it here. So it's a no pull dog pet harness, right? So I'll copy the keywords that define this product and define the niche. Then I'll go back to Zik Analytics and I will go to the product research, and then you can go for more specific searches. So no pull dog pet harness, okay, to only dog harness. So let's open product research again and then product research again. So here I'll search no pull dog pet harness. Here I will search only dog harness. Okay, it's enough. So we have, I'll remove the pet, not necessary, no pull dog harness and dog harness, right? This is more specific about this type of harness, and this can also be all kind of harness. So if the product here showed me there is so many sales lifetime, I know, probably, I guess that this niche have a lot of sales. So what I will do next, I will copy the keywords that define the niche, which is no pull dog harness and dog harness, and I will search them on the product research. And again, with the right settings. So I'll click the search button, and this is where the result will come up. And when the result come up, we can get the full picture of this niche. We can see that this niche have $24,000 sales in the last 30 days. The average selling price is $14. 75% success listing success rate, 2000% sell-through rate. This is an interesting product, an interesting niche, and we can see that there is one seller who dominates 35% of the niche. So this is how you see if the niche have high demand, if you have high success rate, what are the average selling prices, how is the diversification of this niche, what is the revenue. This is how you find niches. Now look how by relying on these statistics here, 30,000 sales, okay, from this product lifetime, by relying on this and analyzing further, diving deeper and analyzing the niche of this product, we find a very good niche. $24,000 in 30 days from the first 100 products, 75% success rate, 2000% sell-through rate. This is high demand, high success rate, and average selling price of $14. So it's a good niche, right? Now, you're probably asking yourself, but what is a bad niche? If this is a good niche, what is a bad niche? So I will try to have at least 500% sell-through rate, at least 40% success rate, and I will also want to validate another metric is how profitable I can be. So after you find the niche, you analyze further, you look into the product, you see if you can source similar product, and you can make sure if you can be profitable. If you can be profitable, you got a winning niche. If not, you have to move to the next niche. Now, this is only one method. Using the category research and analyzing, I'm going to show you another way to do it. And I'm going to open your horizons, and I'll try to open your mind so you will be creative and you will be able to do niche research in any step of the journey, in any part of your product research. You can always stop and do niche research if you see product with a lot of sales. Have you heard you can win 1 month subscription for Zik Analytics for free? First, like this video. Second, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ring the notification bell to get notified for new videos we post. And third, share with us your biggest why. Why are you doing this business? What are your dream goals that you want to achieve with succeeding on eBay? Every week, we give away for free 1 month subscriptions to Zik Analytics. That means you can win as well. Now, I just want to show you the difference between the no pull dog harness to dog harness only. So let's run a search on dog harness only. Always important to understand that there is broad niches where you only search 1 or 2 keywords, and there is more macro niche, more specific niches, sub niches where you search more specific keywords. So here, when you search only dog harness, you get $36,000 sales, 66% success rate, and 30,217% sell-through rate. So there is more demand here. There is more revenue, a bit less success rate, around same average product price, $2 less. So the stats are good as well. When you go down and look into the product, we can see maybe here there are different type of harnesses, but it seems that not everyone use the no pull keyword in the search. So when you do the dog harness keyword only, you can get more insights, and then you can analyze further. Now, I'm going to show you another ways to get niche ideas, okay? It's not, category research is not the only way. You understand the logic behind it. We see product with a lot of sales, we should be curious and analyze further, right? We should be curious and analyze the niche of this product. But where else we can come across successful products? It's everywhere. So if we do competitor research, so for instance, I will just, for this example, we'll analyze this competitor. Let's say you've been doing competitor research, analyzing competitors, and then you come across different competitors. And then this is the competitor that you analyze, and you scroll down through his product and you see, okay, what is this product? This is a spiked, stopped, PU leather dog collar. It's a dog collar. It sold 119 times in the last 30 days, 6,000 lifetime. Again, we see a product with 119 sales in the last 30 days. We are interested in the niche. How come this product sold so many times in the last 30 days? How come it sold 6,000 times lifetime? We're interested. We want to check further. So we do the same process. We go here. It's a spike dog collar. So I will copy the title. I'll open the product research. Okay. I'll put it here and I'll just keep the keywords that define the niche. So it's a spiked dog collar. Now, if you want to be more specific, you can also add the PU letter. But let's keep it wide. Let's keep it more general. Spiked dog collar. I'll hit the search button again. Let's see if this 119 sales in 30 days product actually going to lead us to a good niche. And boom, we have $9,449 revenue. $11 is average selling price. 882% sell-through rate. 63% successful rate. Is it fit to a best niche criteria? Yes. It's fit. It's lower than the other one, but remember, it's more specific because it's including the spiked keyword. So it's very, very specific niche. But if I will remove spiked, then we'll only try to analyze dog collars. So let's just check dog collar. Let's see how wide and how big the stats will be. So here the results are coming. And dog collar here, take a look, guys. $58,000 sales. We start to have increase in sales in the last couple of days. Seems like summer is approaching and people getting ready for the summer. 84% success rate, 5,000% sell-through rate. And yes, if you just search for collar, which is very general, there is a lot of types of collars. You can already learn and see what are the top selling collars, what are the top selling niches, and etc. And again, your job is to go analyze further and find products that you actually sell for profit. Okay, this is the last validation. I'm not going to show it in this video, because this video focuses on how to find the niches. If you also want to learn how to analyze niches, I've launched last week a 45 minutes video, like a webinar, where I'm finding a niche, analyzing the niche, and even sourcing products from Alibaba. You can find link in the description, or just look on the YouTube channel on the previous week, where Wednesday, where we've released this video. So another way, as I said, is go through competitors. Again, anytime you see product with a lot of sales, you analyze the niche. Another thing is where you can get ideas is just randomly get ideas from any other website you look. So let's say you look on Amazon and you want to see what are the best sellers on Amazon. So I want to see in baby category, what are the best sellers. You can see here the best sellers in baby category, and then I can see if this is best seller on Amazon, okay? If it's a nibble teeter, okay, let's take a look at this product. Let's say it's Infantino Lil Nibble Teeter. So it's a nibble teeter, a silicone soft texture teeter. So we can try different things like teeter relief, like nibble teeters, like baby teeter and stuff like this. Let's see, just by getting idea from here. I'll do the same process again. I'll go to Zik, open the product research. I'll put here nibble teeter and I'll hit the search button. So this time I just use the ideas from Amazon. So when I put nibble teeter, it's bringing me the same products. Probably nibble is the name of the of the brand or something. So this is not the right keyword. So I just put here teeter. Just teeter or baby teeter. It's another thing, okay? Or another keyword is teething relief. It's another keywords you can try after we will try it. So let's just put teeter and hit the search button. Let's see what products we get, what is the revenues, etc. and stuff like this. So as you can see, 1,325 sales, 30% success rate, 38% sell-through. Under this keyword, if this is the right keyword to identify this, there is not a lot of demand. And why I wanted to show you this example, yes, it's good to be creative and curious and analyze also random products you see on Amazon or other places, but I wanted you to see the difference in the efficiency. When we've looked on product with a lot of sales, and then we analyze the niche, we easily find very successful products, very successful niches, right? But when we go randomly from any marketplace, just through bestsellers without relying on data, and we try things, it's less likely we are going to have good results. Now, you should also have good results from here. It's just that it's less efficient because you're not relying on data. I want that every decisions along the way you do in your product research journey will always rely on data. This way it will be efficient and you will move forward, okay? And this without canceling creativity. So guys, I hope you find this video valuable. My goal was to teach you how to find niche ideas. A lot of people ask these questions, and this is why I made this video. If you have questions, leave questions in the comment sections below. And remember, we release new videos every week, so smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell so you get notified. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.